What's up everyone? In this video I will share with you the 4 penny stocks that I recently purchased. These are part of my penny stock portfolio where I plan to 10x by end of the year. I'll provide you a very brief overview of the stock, technical analysis, stock price prediction, and why I bought them. You probably want to watch all the way to the end of the video, so stick around. Sawasdee krap, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. In my prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. Please note that I will only give a high-level overview of the company as I want to make this video short, simple, and to the point. So please do your own DD or due diligence in detail. These stocks are not by any means a recommendation to buy or sell. I'm merely sharing with you what I purchased last week and the reasons why. The first stock I bought was SOS Limited. SOS is an emerging blockchain-based high-tech company and big data-driven marketing and solution provider with a nationwide membership base of approximately 20 million in China. Note that Kevin O'Leary has been promoting SOS Limited. On February 11th, SOS announced it is selling 110 million worth of its American Depository Shares, or ADS, and wants in registered direct offering priced at the market under the NYSE rules. Its stock shot up 59% to $6.32 on Thursday. I was expecting the momentum to continue on Friday, and I initiated a tiny position of 100 shares. My capital was locked up in other places at the moment, but I do plan to increase my position in this stock. When the market opened on Friday, I waited about 30 minutes or so for the stock to settle. When it dipped, that's when I jumped in. I'm sharing with you my trades for transparency purposes. By no means am I trying to flex how much I made. I actually don't like to share people how much I make. My goal is to now share and to educate so that the quantum finance community can become better traders and investors. Let's look at the day chart. It closed at $7.44 or up 17.72% for $1.12 gain. SOS traded in a volume surge at 903% of normal volume. It was trading at $7.70 in after hours. It traded in the upper Bollinger Band. Its MACD is very bullish. RSI is in overbought territory. It is in a parabolic rise. So I do anticipate it will dip next week where I plan to increase my position by cost averaging. I like this stock very much as it is a crypto play. Anyway, so far I'm up 25% on the trade. This is an early stage entry into SOS. SOS will be volatile. It is tied up to the Bitcoin and other crypto stock performance. Note that in my prior video, I also mentioned a similar stock which is Banji Inc or CAN. It is also doing very well. It is a stock that I plan to buy in the future. So why SOS and other crypto mining stock? Just take a look at this chart. In the past 12 months, they have outperformed Bitcoin performance. If you have purchased ROI or MARA, you have grown your stock by more than 1,000 to 2,000 or more. I've been watching this penny stock for a couple weeks now. The company is Banji Inc or BNGI. Banji is a cannabis-oriented real estate firm. On January 2021, BNGI hit its all-time low at 0.000001 cent per share, or down 99%. It has since recovered now that President Biden is in office and passing laws favorable to marijuana industry. It is now trading at 0.00175 cents per share. It has grown to 1,749% in the past 12 months. This is purely a momentum swing trade play, meaning it is not based on fundamentals but a speculation and momentum, and therefore deemed very risky. It was down 18% on Friday, so I decided to jump in. This is a tiny play for me with just $800, which I was able to purchase 500,000 shares of BNGI. So far, I'm up 9.35% or a profit of $75. This is an experimental play to prove my thesis that I can double my investment by bottom fishing penny stocks. I don't necessarily recommend anyone to do this, and I am only sharing this for the learning purpose at the expense of my mullahs, meaning it's a very risky trade. It closed at 0.00018 cents, or down 0.001 cents, or 2.27%. It traded at 125% of normal volume. It is in the upper Bollinger Band area. Its MACD is very bullish. RSI is in the overbought territory. It is in a parabolic rise. So I do anticipate it could dip next week for a day or two before climbing back up again. It looks like it's forming a bullish mat hold candlestick formation. We just need confirmation by Tuesday. My exit point for this is 0.5 cents or 0.7 cents. Depending on how well it goes next week, I might just let it run its course to 1 penny before I exit, or just leave it and forget about bought for long-term hold. It would be interesting to see how well it performed by the end of the year. Again, this is an experimental trade for me, so it's not a recommendation to buy or sell BNGI. If you do plan to get into this stock, trade at your own risk and with capital that you can afford to lose. Next up is a safer penny stock to buy. It is Novius Maritime Containers LP or NMCI. Novius owns and operates container ships for the maritime industry in Asia and Europe and owns a fleet of 29 vessels. The company was founded in 2017 and is based in Monte Carlo, Monaco. The company stock was down because it hasn't seen much shipment activities due to the pandemic, but as of late, it is seeing increasing activities as hope of vaccines can accelerate the economy back to normality. I got in at $6.21. It is a small position of only 274 shares. So far, I'm up 9%. Just look at the chart. It is rising steadily in the past few months, and it has recently created a new bullish uptrend channel last month. It is not as volatile as other penny stock. I like the chart very much. On Friday, it closed at $6.78, up 35 cents or 4.95%. Its MACD is very bullish. RSI is rising in overbought territory. It has strong momentum, traded well above the 50 DMA, and the overall trend is moving higher. Watch out for a breakout above the $7 level. If it's confirmed, the price target will be between $8 and $9. NMCI will be a long-term hold for me. I can see this become a $10 to $13 stock by the end of the year or sooner. Next is Sensionics Holding or SENS. This is a medical technology company that focuses on the design, development, and commercialization of long-term implantable continuous glucose monitoring or CGM system for people with diabetics to confidently live their lives with ease. Let's look at the daily chart. It closed at $4.16, up 35 cents or 9.19%. This stock formed two bullish pole flag pennants, one after another. It looks like it might be in process of breakout to create a third bullish pole flag pennants. What is the likelihood of this happening? Right now, it traded in a tightening Bollinger Band area with a breakout on Friday from its pennant flag formation. Its MACD is very bullish. RSI is in overbought territory. Watch out for a breakup above the $4.20 level. If confirmed, this stock will go to $5 and $5.50 area. It will pull back and trade sideways from its base from there on though. There's a clear pattern to this stock. The question is, how reliable is the past performance can we use to predict the future outcome? I think it's very likely to repeat itself. The good news is that it's on an increasing upward trend. I can see this stock become a $12 to $15 stock by end of year. I will actively manage these stocks as they are volatile in order to minimize my risk. Overall, I'm confident in these stocks as this chart point to a bullish uptrend. When trading or investing, you want the momentum to be on your side, so I expect to see a lot of greens next week. Let me know if you plan to buy any of these stocks that I've mentioned, and if you already have them, let me know what price you got in and how many shares you have, and I also love to hear your opinions on them. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs.